affiliate promotions, helping this channel to support you. Hi, Banggood recently sent me some woodworking tools to try out and review for you all. And today I'm looking at these precision clamping squares. But basically what they do is they hold two pieces of wood together at a right angle so that you can clamp them up and make sure they're nice and square. I've just mocked this up with a couple of pieces of MDF. Got it clamped up in there. If I drop a square on, you can see quite clearly that that's perfectly square, which is exactly what you want when you're putting together boxes, cabinets, that sort of thing. So it's working really well. Now, how would you use them? Well, if I slacken these off, you can see the one piece comes apart. You basically clamp one piece in to begin with on a flat surface, so like that. So set the clamps up flat on there. Then you're ready to put the second piece up. Put your glue along. Pop your board on, it's going to be clamped on there. Just line up this edge here. Drop the clamps in. Like so. Just snug them a little bit. Line up this back surface here. This isn't quite flush yet, so line that up with a square or a ruler or something like that. Screw them up in that direction as well. And this is doing butt joints, so you've got absolutely no joinery holding it together. But you could obviously have dowels, and in which case the alignment would be taken care of. Get those into position, snug those a little bit. I would personally just put an extra clamp in, especially if it's quite a large box. Clamp in the middle there, so the glue joints pull together nice and tight. Leave it to dry, and then you're assured of a nice square box. Another place where you might want to use this is if you're making a drawer. So you've done your dovetails, you've put the joint together, but you don't know if it's going to hold square whilst the glue goes off. So take one of your clamping squares, clamp it onto the side of the drawer, just snug it up a little bit, push it up forward against the front so it's nice and tight into the corner, snug it off, and then put a clamp in on the front of the board, the front of the drawer. That'll ensure the joint is kept nice and square until the glue's gone off. So these seem to work really well. They're lovely and square, so you'll get perfectly square joints. And if you're interested in getting any of these, there are lots of different types on the market, so do have a look around. But these are the only ones I've tried. They do what they say they'll do. They work pretty well. Nicely engineered, good finish on them. And at the moment, if you want to buy them through my affiliate link, there's a coupon code which I've also got in the description below, which will get you some extra money off.